Good morning! Have you seen this wonderful panoramic view and this super swimming pool? It would be the perfect moment to have a drink, but before I will show you this amazing property. Oh, are you already inside? Well, no problem. This is the main floor of this fantastic villa. Here we have a relax area with a living room, with a modern fireplace. All the floors are refined with marble. There is a nice access to a panoramic terrace and a lunch and dining area, very comfortable and with access to the beautiful terrace. Oh, sorry, I was enjoying the view. I'm ready now to show you the sleeping areas. Come with me. Here we have the first sleeping area, a bedroom refined with parquet, wood, air conditioning and an ensuite bathroom. Now, complete the main floor. We have a useful bathroom, another double bedroom. Take a look inside. Now it's time to take a look on the main master bedroom. Come with me. Finally, we are on the top floor. What a wonderful sleeping area! This is the main bedroom of the property and features a super wardrobe, a large ensuite bathroom, and a gem, a huge majestic terrace. What a beauty! This is one of the most beautiful panorama that this corner of Liguria can offer. Are you ready to visit the last part of the house? Well, follow me. This is one of the best parts of the house. Of course, the living room with a large kitchen, fully equipped, a lunch area, and a relax area with sofa, everything connected to the pool area, to the garden, and with a lovely view onto the sea. This is the outside part of the property. It is a cozy area where you can find a swimming pool in continuity with the view and with the sea, a beautiful landscape, a private garden full of relax areas, and you can enjoy also a large garden full of olive trees. Oh, sorry, I was relaxing. I didn't finish my job. So, if you want to have more information about this lovely villa, please check out our website. And, really important, subscribe our YouTube channel.